What's good, and welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Just a quick update for Polygon. I've got a hot date, and she's thicker than a snicker. And I got to get ready. So currently we're sitting at $1.41. We're up, let's give me the 24-hour. We're up about 3-4% on the day. We're sitting at a market cap of 9.10 billion. 24-hour volume is 1.6 billion. So guys, we had a throwback here. With Bitcoin, and Matic just absolutely shot back up over $1.40. So we had our head and shoulders pattern. We came down and we met that technical target. We came right down very close to that $1.24, and we shot right back up. We had a double bottom, as you can see here, double bottom pattern, and that target was basically met perfectly here. And we're starting to see a bit of roll over here. Could say we have a little bit of a bull flag pattern here. So if you were to break to the upside, it's a pretty large breakout target. That would bring Matic up. Wow, guys, it would be absolutely insane. To about $1.58, $1.59, about $1.59, which would be a juicy gain of about 13%. I think that's close to our target here. Yeah, $1.58, $1.59 is our breakout target from our larger bull pennant. All right, guys, so incredible to see the strength, like the bullish strength. I was expecting Bitcoin to come down to 42K, but the bulls just absolutely stepped in to push the price back up. So if we consolidate, would be incredible in my opinion if we just consolidate in this current area that we're sitting in between about 43 to 46K here, and just allow the 20 EMA to catch back up to the candle before seeing continuation. I did think we were going to come down to 42K with those signals. It's still a possibility, guys, but we're just showing a massive amount of strength. So all eyes are on Bitcoin right now. If we just consolidate and allow the EMA to catch back up, that's when we could see that continuation to the upside. So we'll pop Matic back open to the daily here. So we still have that major level of support at $1.24, but I think that's a bit low. $1.37 could act as a level of support, which is the 0.786 on the Fibonacci here. And $1.24, of course, could act as a level of support. But the fact that we've seen a relief bounce, we're back above $1.37. If we hold that level of support and we break through our bull flag here, then your target is $1.59. If we look at Ethereum, I said yesterday it would be absolutely incredible to see us just bounce off 29.61 and hold that as support, and that's what's happened. We've bounced and we've head back up to 3271. So if we consolidate in this range, guys, that's when you're going to see the 20 EMA catch up for Ethereum as well. And we hold that support and we see that continuation all the way up to 4163. All right, guys. And then if we were to come down and we lose 2961, we still have 2875. I'm extremely impressed to see the bulls just push the price right back up with Bitcoin. As we can see here with Bitcoin in the hourly, we had that double top and we never reached our technical target. We came down a little bit here. Oh, sorry, guys. We came down just a little bit and then we just broke right back up to the upside. We had a throwback. I had to get out of my short trade. That's why I tried to remind you guys it's always more risky to short when we're in an uptrend, and it's more risky to go long when we're in a downtrend, as you can have these throwbacks. And then the bulls are just showing massive amount of strength. If Bitcoin breaks our high here, that would be a massive signal. But we could see that rollover. We're just seeing a bit of a relief rally, although this is pretty significant. We could still roll over to 42K. So do keep an eye on Bitcoin right now, the master energy. So just a quick update for Matic, show you guys that bull flag. If you do break to the upside, your target is $1.59. And we have these levels of support, $1.37. Actually, I can take these out for now. And $1.24 is that massive level of support here, but we are showing strength. We are still a little bit overextended on the daily, so we could still come down to that $1.24. I would just watch Bitcoin right now. I think that's really important. If Bitcoin breaks, let's drop it in, about 46,779, then I believe we'll see continuation here, but we're still overextended on the daily, so we might just consolidate in this area and allow the EMAs to catch back up before seeing continuation. So that's basically it for this one, guys. Your levels of support are 2961, 2875. For Ethereum, if we break 3271, then the sky is the limit. But I would like to see some consolidation. It would be healthy. And then you have that breakout target at $1.58, $1.59. Two patterns now. We have this bull flag here on the hourly, a smaller pattern. Then we have our larger pattern on the daily, which is a bull pennant, and they bring us up to the same target. And then we have that massive level support at $1.24. Unbelievable to see Matic come back up above $1.40. Incredible bounce here we've seen in the market. So that's it for this one, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, smash that like button. I'm gonna get ready for my hot date. Follow me on social. If you want to follow my personal life Instagram, I'm not super active on Twitter. The Discord is a great place to join. Over 1,000 members talking all things crypto. And I'll see you in the next video. Much love. Take care.